All right, here is the story. You finally get your machine learning model running on your laptop. Maybe it's classifying images, maybe it's predicting sales. It runs fine in your test environment. But then you ask yourself, how do I even scale this thing? Now suddenly you need GPUs, clusters, deployment pipelines, and that sweet Jupyter notebook turns into a monster you cannot control. What a nightmare. This is the pain every ML developer runs into, because building a demo is easy. Taking it to production, well, that is a whole different game. And that's exactly why AWS built SageMaker. Think of it as Amazon's end-to-end machine learning workshop. You get managed notebooks to experiment, powerful instances to train your models, and with just few clicks, you can deploy your model as an API endpoint that actually scales. Now we can say goodbye to those late-night server patching. What makes it even better is flexibility. You only pay for what you use. Just spin up resources when you need them, shut them down when you don't. And it works with TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn, all the frameworks you already know. No need to rebuild your codebase. But what does this matter? Because instead of spending weeks wiring up Kubernetes clusters, you can get something into production in a few hours. Many companies are already using SageMaker for fraud detection, real-time recommendations, NLP apps, computer vision, you name it. So if your models are stuck living inside notebooks, SageMaker is how you take them to the real world.